The Crompton Avancer Prime 1200 arm ceiling fan is a perfect blend of style and functionality. Its elegant design and baker's brown finish add a touch of sophistication to any room, while its anti-dust technology ensures that the fan blades remain clean and free from dust for a longer period of time. The fan operates smoothly and quietly, even at its highest speed setting. Its powerful motor ensures maximum air delivery, making it perfect for hot summer days. The fan also has a unique feature that allows it to operate at a low voltage, making it an energy-efficient option for those who want to keep their electricity bills low. Installation of the fan is straightforward and can be done without any professional help. The fan comes with clear and detailed instructions that make installation a breeze. Overall, the Crompton Avancer Prime 1200 arm ceiling fan is an excellent choice for those who want a stylish and functional fan that is easy to install and operate. Its anti-dust technology, powerful motor, and energy efficiency make it a top pick in the market.